Hello and welcome to this video about the 3-day law of attraction. In this video, I will share a powerful technique for achieving success in any area of your life. The law of attraction is a principle that states that like attracts likewise. In other words, the energy we radiate into the world is what we draw back to us. That's why focusing on positive thoughts and feelings is so important, because they will bring more positivity to our lives. The 3-day law of attraction method is a technique that can help you harness the power of the law of attraction to achieve your goals. It includes 3 basic steps: visualization, belief, and action. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Step 1. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful technique that involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome. This mental image should be so vivid and realistic that you can almost feel like you have arrived at your own image. To begin the visualization process, take some time to clarify your desired outcome. What is it you want to achieve? Be as specific as possible and write down your goal on a piece of paper. Then find a quiet and comfortable place where you will not be disturbed for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Start imagining yourself already reaching your goal. Imagine yourself living the life you desire in the future. Imagine the sights, sounds, and smells associated with your target. See yourself interacting with others and reaping the benefits of achieving your goal. As you continue to visualize, focus on the emotions associated with your desired outcome. Feel the excitement, joy, and gratitude that come with reaching your goal. Imagine these emotions permeating every cell of your body and allow yourself to fully experience them. It is important to practice visualization daily, ideally at the same time each day. This will help reinforce your desired outcome in your subconscious mind and send a coherent message to the universe about what you want to manifest. In summary, visualization is a powerful technique that involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome and experiencing associated emotions. By practicing visualization on a daily basis, you can align your energies with your desired outcome and begin to attract it into your life. Step 2. Belief. Belief is an important aspect of the law of attraction because it's our beliefs that shape our reality. If we believe that we can achieve our goals, then we are more likely to take the necessary action to make it happen. On the other hand, if we believe that our goals are impossible or that we don't have what it takes to achieve them, then we are less likely to take action and may even self-sabotage our own success. To cultivate a strong belief in your ability to achieve your desired outcome, it's important to focus on the evidence that supports your belief. Start by reflecting on past successes and achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Remember times when you overcame obstacles and achieved something you once thought was impossible. Use these past successes as evidence that you have what it takes to achieve your current goal. Another helpful technique for building belief is to use positive affirmations. These are short, positive statements that you repeat to yourself on a regular basis. For example, I am capable of achieving my goals, or I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. Repeat these affirmations to yourself several times a day and really feel the truth behind them. Finally, it's important to be patient with yourself and your progress. Belief is something that takes time to build, especially if you've had past experiences that have shaken your confidence. Be kind to yourself, and remember that it's okay to have moments of doubt. The key is to keep moving forward, taking small steps towards your goal, and trusting that the universe will support you along the way. In summary, belief is an important aspect of the law of attraction that can help you achieve your desired outcome. By focusing on past successes, using positive affirmations, and being patient with yourself, you can cultivate a strong belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Step 3. Action. Action is a critical aspect of the law of attraction because it's our actions that ultimately bring our goals to life. Without taking action, our desires will remain just that, desires. To manifest our goals, we must take consistent, focused action toward achieving them. The first step in taking action toward your desired outcome is to create a plan. Break down your goal into smaller, manageable steps that you can take each day. Set deadlines for each step to ensure that you stay on track and make progress toward your goal. Once you have a plan in place, it's important to take action consistently. This means dedicating time each day to work towards your goal, even if it's just for a few minutes. Make it a habit to take action toward your goal each day, and soon you'll start to see progress. Another helpful technique for taking action is to hold yourself accountable. Share your goal with someone you trust and ask them to check in with you regularly to ensure that you're staying on track. You can also keep a journal to track your progress and reflect on what's working and what's not. Finally, it's important to stay open to opportunities and be willing to adjust your plan as needed. Sometimes the universe has a different plan for us than we had in mind, and it's important to stay flexible and adapt to new opportunities as they arise. In summary, action is a critical aspect of the law of attraction that involves creating a plan, taking consistent action toward your goal, holding yourself accountable, and staying open to new opportunities. By taking focused, consistent action toward your desired outcome, you can manifest your goals and bring them to life.